Hello everyone. In last video of C programming language series part 2, we have seen my first C program live demo, and in this video we will see live demo of simple interest program. So this is simple interest program, and we will see live demo of this program. So let's start. First of all, we open Turbo C compiler. We open new file and write program here as include studio.h. Void main. We declare here variable int p for principal and p for time, and here we take float type of variable float for rate of interest and for simple interest. We declare here variables. We assign the values principal equal to 5000, time equal to 5 years, and the rate of interest equal to 8.5. Okay, so simple we write here to calculate simple interest equal to principal into time into rate of interest divided by 100. So this is formula to calculate of simple interest, and simple b print the value of simple interest. Printf %d, sorry, we take float, we print float value because the value may be in a fractional point. Simple interest. Okay, we compile this program. Okay, run the program. Okay, the screen not show. So we write here get ch function to show the output. Again we compile. Some one error. Function get ch should have a prototype. It means the get ch function not support studio.h, so we use another header file to support get ch function as include conio.h. This header file support get ch function and clear skin function. Okay, so we run the program. Okay, so here two time of simple interest shown. So we use simple clear screen to see the output in clear screen. CLRSCR. Okay, now let's compile and run. Okay, so we see the simple interest. Here we write here simple interest equal to. So we compile and run. So you can see the simple interest equal to 2125.000. Okay. You can also write the comment here. You can write the comment like star. This is formula of calculate simple interest. Okay. So you can write the comment anywhere in this form. Okay. Again, we compile the program. We can also compile the program Alt plus F9 and run the program Control plus F9. So you see the, you can write also comment on the top in this form slash asterisk. Uh, this program to calculate the simple interest. Okay. So this is complete comment. Okay, we again compile and run the program. Okay. Okay. So we understand the program how to work. So here these are the two header file studio.h support to the printf and scanf function, and include conio.h header file support to the clear screen function and getch function. Here is the void main function to drive the whole program. Here is the curly bracket and here is the close curly bracket. So open to close the curly bracket, we write any content inside the curly bracket. So this is the body of the program. So here clear the screen, output screen. Here we declare integer type of two variable, p for principal and t for time. Float, we take float type of two variable, r for rate of interest and si for simple interest. Here we assign uh, 5000 value to principal, and we assign a time 5 years to variable t, and we assign 8.85 rate of interest to r variable. And here simple we write the formula to calculate simple interest, and here these the calculation of simple interest store in the si variable. So we simple print the si variable. So here we print a function si equal to float percent %f and si simple interest. Here you get ch for show the output screen or take the any character from the keyboard. So this is the program of simple interest calculation. If you have any doubt related to this program, so you can write comment in the comment box. Thank you. In next video we will see the control statement, if else if, nested if else, etc. So we uh, exit the turbo C, quit. Okay, he asked for save this program, so you can save the program. So you save the program. Yes.